Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to install WeChat in iPhone in India. So first thing what you will do is open up App Store into your iPhone. And now once you have opened it up, guys, just simply select the search icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now go for the search bar at the top and just simply type in WeChat. Now, just simply tap search. And from here, just simply select the WeChat application. And from here, just simply select get in order for you to install it. And after that, just simply provide some verification code or verification in order for you to install it. And now, once you have provided your verification, it will automatically install into your device. So guys, just make sure you have a stable internet connection or just make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi in order for this to be downloaded. And once it is done, you can just simply open it up. There goes. See ya.